Hi guys, today I'm doing this very glamorous smoky eyeshadow look with the Tarte Neutrals Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and then on the eyelid I added Terra Moon's Cosmetics Multichrome Aurora Australis. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'll put a link for the shade in the comments box down below, along with the other products that I'm using on my eyes. And if you are interested in seeing how I did this look, then stay tuned, and I hope you like the video. I primed my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the color Vanilla, and then I just added some brown eyeshadow on the brows and set the brows with the NYX Control Freak clear brow setter gel. And then I set my eyelids with the Huda Beauty loose baby bake loose baking and setting powder in the color Banana Bread. I'm taking a tapered blending brush, Sigma E35, and I'm just taking the Matte Soothe from the Tarte Beauty Volume 1 palette, and I'm using that as a base transition color. And I want to place that quite high because I'm doing a very dark, hopefully, look today. So I want to play with the black. I'm just blending that all over. I haven't used this palette in a while. It's actually such a nice neutrals palette. I really like using it when I just want to do something plain and simple. And the neutral colors in here are very, well, for me they're very blendable. I know there were mixed feelings about this palette, but I like the quality. It's a good quality, and I like the colors. It's the perfect neutral colors in my opinion for a base neutral look. Okay, I'm taking a pointed fluffy brush, a biggish pointed fluffy brush. This is one of my crown brushes, and I'm using the matte Ritual and just placing that in the crease. I'm taking it all the way to the inner part because I intend to do a black smoky shade all over the lid, whereas usually I do from outside to inside, darker to lighter. I just want to take it up a bit more here on the inside, just to lift the eye a bit. Such a nice chocolatey brown, this. I used to be so scared of taking dark colors so high up my eye, because when I was younger I kind of believed that the dark color should only be on this outer corner of your eyelid. But over the years and playing around and learning techniques for hooded eyes, I realized it's actually counterproductive for me to do that. I'm just going back with the brush that I did soothe with. smooth out the edges. So this is my favorite trick when doing a dark smoky eye. I take a flat, very thin flat brush and I put some gel eyeliner on there. And I pack that close to the eyeliner, the lash line. The gel eyeliner I'm using is the Sigma Wicked gel eyeliner. It's a very dark eyeliner, but you can use any gel eyeliner. A cheaper one that I really like using is the LA Girl gel eyeliner. It's very affordable and I like using that with a black shadow on top. It really brings out the dark effect that I'm trying to create. So I'm packing it close to the lash line and then blending it upwards about 2/3 to 3/4 of the eyelid's height. And don't really want to take it up to the top of the lid because that's where it gets a bit more difficult to blend out these dark colors. And I'm just leaving a little hint of light on the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm just packing the shadow on. I'm doing like a press and a soft drag motion just to get the best color payoff there. And I like doing this when I work with colors that has a bigger impact when it's applied on top of a dark base. So that's kind of the idea I have today. I want to try one of the Terra Moon shade on a black base and see how it performs on a black base. So I'm using a small pointed brush. This is the Crown Pro brushes C528. It's one of my favorite eye brushes. I'm taking the black memory color on this one and remember to tap it off because it's a very pigmented black and you don't want it to go too dark. And I'm placing that more on the outer half of the lid, and then I just want to blend this upper part where the eyeliner stopped to this chocolate brown color. I don't want to place too much of the black on the entire lid because I want to place the Terra Moon's color on there, and I'm hoping the sticky base will grab hold of that flaky glittery colors a bit more. I'm not a huge fan of using glitter glue, so I don't like getting sticky and I always mess it all over the place. Just want to darken up this outer corner a little bit, just to get up a bit higher. taking that Sigma brush with Soothe again, the E35, and don't worry about messing at the bottom. I'm going to do some cleanup, but I just want to place that under the lid, under the lower lid, yeah, on the, what do you call this part? Bags of the eyes. This palette's colors are very pigmented, so you kind of have to always remember to tap off the product and rather place less product and build it up instead of going in too heavy-handedly with the colors. And I'm taking that pointed brush, just cleaned it off a bit, and I'm taking the Ritual Chocolate Brown and just placing that closer to the eyelid. Then I'm going in with that flat brush just on the tip of the brush. I want the thinnest black powder line against the eyelash, just to deepen up here. I'm taking Aurora Australis from Terra Moons Cosmetics on the pinky finger, and I am dragging it from the inside outwards over the lid. I want to place most of the product on the inside and softly blend it outwards. And then I'm using this brush to just buff out the glittery edges. Softly blending it into these darker colors. I'm taking some of the Terra Moons shade on this flat brush. I just want to place it on this inner third to inner half of the lower lash line, just to bring some of that color to the bottom. Quite a lot of fallout with this Terra Moon shade, but I'm going to clean that up with a brush. Okay, then on a thin flat brush, I'm taking the third from the bottom color, the shimmery Aura color from the Tati palette, and just placing that as close to the brow as possible. Blending it outwards. corner. Just dragging it up a bit. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop there. I like the look. I am going to do eyeliner and eyelashes and finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back with the final look. Okay, so here's the final look. I added some fluffy lashes on the ends. I'm not quite sure what they are, it doesn't say on the box, but I'll put a link of where I bought it on Amazon down below. And then I added some of the Ardell Duralash knotted trios in the size medium, closer to the inner side, and I added some Sigma Wicked eyeliner in the waterline and a little bit on the outer sides at the top. And there we go. I love the look. I think it looks very glamorous, and I hope you enjoyed the video.